One last detail to finish, the eyes. I wanted them to pop with a mysterious charm. My goal is to use dark purple for the eyeball and bubblegum pink as the pupil in the eyes, to create the illusion of rainbow sprinkles on a pink glazed donut. The very last step is to remove the masking from the model and show my audience how the yellow truly pops. This has to be one of my favorite articulating spiders designed by the talented artist Cinderwing 3D. It's amazing to see the journey from 3D modeling to 3D printing and finally a fully painted novelty gift. Such a wonderful little creatures. Come visit my Etsy marketplace to get your very own one-of-a-kind Timmy painted articulating spiders. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap. Timmy is out.